Hey Tani, you said that Father asked about how many people are viewing these articles. I gave you access to this is that website traffic link, which is here. And this says that news in the last year has gotten about 1,600 visits. So because these values, all values for the last 365 days. So, um, yeah, half your people are in the phone. But then I also gave you something access to analytics, and you can get here by clicking on Google Analytics under it for administrators there on the control panel. And then here, make sure you're at Accounts, Prince of Peace, Great Bend. And then I clicked on Behavior and clicked on Site Content, and then went to Content Drill Down. And then if I go back one page, I think I typed in, oh, a couple of things. Well, I'll come back to that here in a moment. So content drill down, and then this is before I could type something in here. So if you wanted to type like Ash Wednesday, you could find out how many views the Ash Wednesday got. But I would also change your timeline. So maybe we want to look back at the last 6 months, or at least, gosh, that would be like August. August 1 through, that'd be 6 months, 7 months worth right here. Okay. So go ahead and that could be deceiving if you don't change those settings. But then news by itself, so just looking at that page without going into any of the articles, has gotten 731 visits in the last 6 months. But then those that have gone even further into that, so the extra backslash shows the sub pages under there. So bulletin calendar, and then the fourth Sunday of Advent got 64 visits. The sixth Sunday in Ordinary Time got 55. Merry Christmas got 44. Teresa of Calcutta, back in September, would have got that in mini. And there's 146 different results in here. So if you wanted to see how many each got, you might even type in the word Lent. Whoops. Type in Lent. And then, because we've only had a few of those right there. So maybe, I bet what's going on here is that, yeah, this one says second Sunday of Lent, and this one says second Sunday of Lent too. So let's rename this one. I don't know if this will mess up that traffic, but this one's going to be first Sunday of Lent. And then here, so the first Sunday of Lent got 24 visits, and so far the other one has gotten 12 and recognized. We went there a couple times today. So, but if I took that back out of there, you are serving a demographic by posting those there. So, and maybe people will get more courageous as things improve and they won't do these as often. But I hope that's helpful for helping to figure out and answering Father's questions. How many views are those getting? So, yeah, take care. God bless.